To create a campaign, first log into your Clicksor account with your ID and password. Once you have logged on, you will be able to see the advertisers menu. From there, you can click on Create New Campaign from the Quick Links menu. We will be creating a CPI full-page inter-ad campaign today. First, fill out your campaign name. Next, select CPI full-page inter-ad from the campaign type drop-down menu. The supported banner type selected is full-page inter-ad. Here we have the advertising URL. This is the URL you wish to advertise. Next, we have the maximum bid price. This is the highest price you're willing to bid for your keywords and channels. The default for CPI campaigns is 0.007. Also by default, the auto optimization feature is selected for you. This simply means that our system will automatically optimize your campaign for you based on the performance of your keywords. On the right, you will see Traffic Network. Since we want high volume quality traffic, we will keep it selected at all networks. After everything is set, you can click the Next button. Here we see the geo-targeting options for our campaign. You can choose to target specific countries and cities. If you do not want any specific geo-targeting, simply select all countries from the country list, click Add, and then click Target Countries to move on to the next step. Here we can input our keywords. You can use our keyword suggestion feature on the left, or you can enter your own on the right if you already have a list. Simply type in your keywords and click Add to List. Here you can check and uncheck keywords you wish to use. Click Add Selected Keywords when you have finished making your keyword selections. Here we see a complete list of our selected keywords. The top 5 bid cost shows you which bid prices are the most competitive for that specific keyword in our network. By default, your bid will be the max bid you selected in the first step of our campaign creation. If you would like to change your bid price for a specific keyword, you can do so by entering it in manually. If, for instance, you would like to change all your bid prices to 0.008, you can click the Copy button. If you would like to increase your volume of traffic, you can select the All Top Bid button. This will increase the bid price for all your keywords to the top bidding price and bidding spot within our network. When you have finished configuring your bid prices, click the red Save button to go on to the next step. Here we can choose our channel targeting. By choosing some channels for our campaign, we can deliver more targeted visitors to it. Each channel is categorized under a category. To view the channels, simply expand them by pressing the little plus button. From the expanded view, you can select which channels you would like to use and bid on by clicking on the checkboxes. Don't forget to configure the bid prices for your selected channels. By default, the channels will be set at your max bid, just like your keywords. You can adjust each of them manually, or you can also click All Top Bid to generate the top bids for each channel. When you have selected your channels, you can click the Continue button for the last step. Here we see the campaign funding details. You can enter the amount you wish to spend on the campaign for its duration in the first box. You can also set yourself to receive a low balance notification email by inputting a value in the second box. By default, it is set to 5 cents. You can also set an auto fund refill feature. By doing so, funds that are available from your advertiser account will be transferred to the campaign when the campaign is in low balance. Click Transfer when you have finished allocating your funds. Next, you will see the campaign funding page. Here you can choose which method of payment you wish to use. If you decide to use credit card, you will have to input your credit card information as well as send us a credit card authorization form. If you choose PayPal, a separate window will open up for you to make your payment through. When you are done transferring funds, you can move on to the next and final step. If you would like to add your funds at a later time, you can click the Skip button. Finally, you can set a unique IP cap and a daily spend limit for your campaign. For the unique IP cap, the default is set at 12 hours, which means that a unique IP will only view your ad once every 12 hours. The daily limit is the amount you wish to spend on your campaign per day. If you do not wish to have a limit, you can leave it at 0. If your site contains adult content or services, you will have to select Yes from the drop-down menu. Once you are done, click the Next button. Finally, you will see a summary page of your campaign info. Congratulations, you have finished making a CPI campaign.